Welcome to Lesson 2 of Tarot for Beginners. If you are using the workbook available to download in the description, we are on pages 4 and 5. By the end of Lesson 2, you'll recognize the 3 stages of the Major Arcana and understand how each group reflects a step in personal growth and transformation. Let's start by exploring the Major Arcana, the 22 cards that represent life's bigger picture. To make it easier, we'll group these cards into 3 main stages of a journey. These first 8 cards tell the story of setting out on a new adventure. The Fool, 0, begins with limitless potential and curiosity. The Magician, 1, and the High Priestess, 2, introduce inner and outer power. The Empress, 3, and the Emperor, 4, highlight nurturing and structure. The Hierophant, 5, represents tradition and learning. The Lovers, 6, explores relationships and choices. The Chariot, 7, symbolizes confidence and moving forward. This group represents the early stages of self-discovery and growth. Here, the journey deepens as we encounter challenges and transformation. Strength 8 reminds us of inner resilience. The Hermit, 9, invites reflection and solitude. Wheel of Fortune, 10, shows the cycles of change and destiny. Justice, 11, asks us to seek truth and fairness. The Hanged Man, 12, encourages a new perspective. Death, 13, is about endings and transformation. Temperance, 14, teaches balance and patience. This stage mirrors the ups and downs we face as we grow. In the final stretch, the journey shifts to higher understanding. The Devil, 15, reveals attachments and temptations. The Tower, 16, brings sudden change and awakening. The Star, 17, offers hope and inspiration. The Moon, 18, symbolizes intuition and the unknown. The Sun, 19, shines with joy and clarity. Judgment, 20, represents reflection and rebirth. The World, 21, marks completion and fulfillment. This group guides us towards spiritual enlightenment and self-awareness. Grouping the Major Arcana like this helps you see the big picture of life's journey. Each card offers a lesson or insight to guide you along your path. Don't stress over trying to remember everything about the cards. Try focusing on which group it fits with through the number sequence to indicate the stage of the journey, and rely on the imagery to give you meaning. The best tarot readings are intuitive, and memorizing detailed meaning may actually take away from the messages you are trying to convey through the cards. The cards each have a unique feel, and the symbols used are grounded in common understandings.